Hello everyone, welcome to Miss Molecular Classes. In this video, I am going to tell the tricks how to calculate the log values without using a calculator. For that one, firstly we should know the formulas of what it is log. So the formulas of log are few here. Let me take log x into y. Okay, the log x into y is equal to log x plus log y value. Okay, the second formula is that log x upon y is equal to log x minus log y. The third formula to calculate the log values is that log x to the power y is equal to y into log x. So these are the formula to calculate the log values. So now let me take some values of log here. So that is going to be helpful for calculating the competitive problems without using a calculator, not even using a log table book there, because they are not going to provide any log table. But sometimes in competitive examinations for JEE as well as NEET, sometimes they will give the values of anti-log values there. Okay, so now log value, some values of log I'll write here, some values of log. It is very important to know the log values at least from 1 to 10. Now I'll tell how to calculate. So log 1 is equal to 0. We should be knowing this one. Okay, log 1 is 0. Then log 2 is equal to, log 2 is equal to 0.3010. We should by heart this value also. Log 2 is equal to 0.3010. Then log 3 is equal to, we should by heart this one also. Log 3 is equal to 0.477. Okay, this is up to log 3. Now we have to calculate what it is. Log 4 here. Log 4 is equal to, how we are going to do that, sir? It is very simple. No need to by heart now. Log 4 is equal to, log 4 can be written as what it is here, log 2 square. Is it right? Because 2 square is nothing but 4. So now log 2 square is nothing but the formula of the type log x to the power y. So when log x to the power y is there, 2 square is there, which can be calculated as 2 into log 2, right? Because log x to the power y is y into log x. That's why 2 log 2. It is in case you have to by heart the values. In case you are forgotten the values, then easily you can do like this. Within a fraction of second, you have to do this one now. So log 2 is 0.3010. So now 2 into 0.3010, it is a very simple value, which is nothing but log 4 is equal to 0.6020. It is easy to multiply also, because 2 into 3 is 6 and 2 zeros are 0, 2 ones are 2. So it is 6020. But you have to by heart log 5 value also, because no other trick can be used here. So log 5 is 0.6987. You have to by heart this one. Now log 6. How to calculate this log 6 now? Okay. Log 6 can be written as log 3 into 2, right? Log 3 into 2, or this can be written now. Log 3 into 2 will be written as log 3 plus log 2. Which formula you can observe here? Log x into y is equal to log x plus log y. So here, now we know the value log 3 because we have already by hearted that one, which is 0.477. Right, and log 2 is by hearted, it is 0.3010. Add the 2, you will get the value of how much here? Log 6 is 0.778 is the log 6 value. This is in case if you have forgotten, then you can use this trick so that you can calculate it easily. Then log 7 also you have to by heart that one, because now the trick can be used here. It is 0.8450. Then log 8. How to calculate log 8? I have forgotten the value of log 8 because it's a bigger number. So can you write this log 8 as log 2 to the power 3, which is nothing but 2 cube. 2 cube is nothing but 2 into 2 into 2, which is 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. So now it is nothing but log x to the power y. Again the same formula. What is the formula now? It is 3 into log 2. So 3 into log 2 is how much value? It is 0.3010. So log 8 is equal to, now you have to multiply the value. You will get the value of, because 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So it is 0.9030 is the log 8 value. Then how to calculate log 10 now? Sorry, log 9. Log 9 is nothing but, can I write log 9 as a 3 square? Log 3 square. 3 square is nothing but 3 into 3, which is nothing but 9. So 3 square, I'll write the formula 2 into log 3. Okay. So 2. What is log 3 here? Log 3 is the value 0.477. 0.477, and hence for the answer is 0.954. Upon multiplying, I'll get the answer for log 9. Okay, so now we can have the log 9 also. See, it is here, it is very important to know the values of log 2. You have to by heart, you should be knowing with a log 2 value, log 3 value, and then log 5, and then log 7. Other than, you can calculate by using this formulas itself. Firstly, you should know only about the values of log 2, log 3, log 5 and log 7. From those 4 values, you can calculate any of the values of what it is log with the even numbers. Okay, it will become easier to solve using this formula. Then what is log 10 now? I'll write here, I don't have a space here. So log 10 is equal to, we know that when log 10 is 1. What about log 100 now? Log 100 is equal to 2. What about log 1000? Log 1000 is equal to 3. This is how you can calculate the log values without using what it is calculator. Of course, you have to add some values here, because after that only you can solve the other values of log without using any calculator.